The Australian government has put together a roadmap document suggesting how the country can capitalize from blockchain technologies in 5 years' time. The document outlines various areas where blocknologies could benefit Australia. For instance, product counterfeiting and substitution cost the Australian food and wine industry more than $1 billion in 2017 alone. Overall, the roadmap advocates use cases around data redundancy, information transparency, data immutability, and a consensus mechanism, and for the best examples to have at least 3 out of those 4. Right now, the landscape in Australia is finance-heavy. Financial and insurance services comprise almost 2/5 of overall client activity. Accommodation and food services, as well as forestry and fishing, barely scrape together 5% between them, although the figures do improve slightly for retail and healthcare initiatives. Karen Andrews, Minister for Industry, Science and Technology, noted that while many other nations had lofty goals for the growth of blockchain technologies, Australia had an advantage around international standards, research, and bond operations, alongside trials in the energy, agricultural, and public sectors. Together, we can drive the long-term development and adoption of blockchain technology, and capitalize on the tremendous economic and social opportunities it offers, Andrews wrote in a foreword.
The Australian government has outlined 12 primary areas of focus between now and 2025, formalising the National Blockchain Roadmap Advisory Committee and renaming it the National Blockchain Roadmap Steering Committee, establishing a collaborative model comprising working groups of industry, the research sector and government, to progress analysis on the next use cases, investigating options for progressing use cases, with particular note of wine exports and know your customer checks. Government establishing and coordinating a group of government blockchain users looking internationally to identify countries providing efficient blockchain government services.
The report specifically cites Estonia as an example working close. You can read full post on cryptofans. News link available in text below.